Hello students. So here once again I'm back with this question on definite integrals. We shall use properties to solve this question. So can you predict which property we should use? So let me give you the idea for this question. First of all, let me say this is equation first, and then let me mention the property that we will be using in this question. So this is the property, that is property 5, special case. Once we integrate a function fx within the limit 0 to a, if required, we can write this variable x as upper limit minus x. So this is the property that we shall be using in this question. So here we will be having 0 to pi by 2 sine square. And recall that if we write sine of x as sine of pi by 2 minus x, so it will be cos of x. Similarly, once we write cos of x as cos of pi by 2 minus x by applying this property, so it will be cos of x, that is cos of pi by 2 minus x, that will be sine of x. Fine. Let us say this is equation second. We shall be adding first and second equations. So consequently, we will get 2i equals within the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now be careful while I will be adding these two integrals. So we have sine square sine x, cos square of cos x, and in the second integral we have sine square cos x here in the second equation, and cos square of sine x. So we have this. Now you can recall that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here it is sine square, this is, let me say this is angle sine square theta plus cos square theta, that will be 1. Then once again sine square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So clearly we can write 2i is equal to within the limit 0 to pi by 2, this is 2 dx. So we can cancel this 2 and this 2, giving us integral within the limit 0 to pi by 2 of 1 dx. So 1 when integrated with respect to x will give us x within the limit 0 to pi by 2, and once we apply the limits, upper limit minus lower limit, so we have pi by 2 minus 0, and consequently we have pi by 2. So that is the answer for this question. Okay.